guys, the breaking news for today is about the MotoGP International Championship on the Indonesian island of Lombok on the Mandalika race ground, which involves a woman who acted as a rain shaman, or bawang hujan as they call it in Indonesian. Purportedly, she was able to stop the rain as heavy rain was pouring throughout the day of the MotoGP Championship. She performed rituals to stop the rain. Successfully, she managed to stop the rain as the rain became lighter during the day. In the perspective of sociology, this phenomena could be explained by the three stages theory, which is a theory created by Auguste Comte. In that theory, human thinking could be divided into three stages. The first one is theological, the second is metaphysical, and the third one is positivistic. In this case, with the rain shaman case, it is the metaphysical stage, because the people who believe that the actions, the rituals performed by a rain shaman could stop the rain, is believing that the rain could be stopped by magical powers. The rain could be stopped by magic, which is metaphysical stage. The rain shaman, or bawang hujan, has been part of Indonesian culture. It has been used for weddings and other celebrations.